Namaskar. This video is about mobilizing stakeholders in the community and engage them meaningfully in various school development activities like school management committee, social audit, and mobilizing resources through parents, alumni to contribute to school in any way. For example, physical infrastructure, computers, PM Poshan, books, scholarships, and so on and so forth. Now, so far as this particular issue is concerned, one can serve one's nation in any way. It does not mean that one has to go to the borders only to fight to prove that he serves nation. Service to the community is a part of work education. For this, generally two activities are conducted in our school every year: tree plantation and cleanliness drive. Ours is a residential school where the cadets are taught how to maintain their environment. We perform the activities to serve our community in our school on various occasions, specifically on the occasion of national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, and Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. Our cadets carry out the cleanliness program. For this, they go around the school campus, which is spread in about 250 acres, that is 250 acres, and spruce up the entire area by removing all the overgreen weeds and bushes under our guidance and supervision. In order to see this spirit on ground, our cadets plant different types of trees in the school. The campaign's main aim is to direct students' mind in constructive activities with the positive outcome through the facilitation of contribution to the society. The cadets are provided various types of saplings on these occasions by the school, including Ashoka, Neem, Belpatra, Saptparni, Kadam, Mango, and Kachnar. The cadets participate in the drive enthusiastically and help each other in planting the saplings. All the saplings are planted in the school campus by the cadets. They, along with their teachers, also take an oath to look after the planted saplings, plant more and more trees, and encourage others to do the same. Some of the cadets also share their experiences and joys with each other. As and when we conduct these activities, we send across the message of service to the community before self. Such little steps taken together by the school and the cadets will surely help in fostering strong mental and social health amongst today's children, so that they connect with their peers, their elders, their community, and their environment. So far as the contribution to the school in any way, for example, physical infrastructure, computers, PM Poshan, scholarship, books, etc. is concerned, I have appealed to the community, parents, alumni, cadets, etc. so many times to contribute to the school fund, souvenirs, books, coaching, tutorials in specific areas, vehicles, computers, physical infrastructures, and so on and so forth, to be utilized by the cadets. They have been encouraged to do so many times using the platform like parent-teacher meeting, which takes place twice a year in a session. Our ex-cadets organize get-togetherness batch-wise on various occasions during the year. I have utilized these platforms to encourage them to contribute to the school in any way. For example, physical infrastructure, computers, PM Poshan, scholarship, books, etc. And sometimes we have got positive results also. So far as PM Poshan is concerned, here, because ours is a residential school where we run the mess ourselves, so PM Poshan does not apply. But other areas, so far as mess is concerned, we always try to cover and try to give hygienic food to the students. Through parent-teacher meetings, the parents are appealed to be the part of school management to help in serving the cadets successfully. A parent, as the head of parents representative is selected every year, who helps in taking out big decisions pertaining to the welfare of the cadets. I have myself appealed on various occasions to the parents to work for the welfare of the budding cadets. Thus, different types of stakeholders are mobilized every year in community and are engaged meaningfully in various developmental activities like being the part of the school management committee, social audit, and so on. They are also appealed to contribute to school in any way, for example, physical infrastructure, computers, PM portion, books, scholarship, etc. Consequently, many parents have come forward and helped the cadets. I have personally appealed them through various platforms. Now, let me throw some light on each and every point mentioned in this issue. So far as the first point, mobilizing stakeholders in community and engage them meaningfully in various development activities like school management committee is concerned, we appoint a parent representative who helps us to take various decisions pertaining to the students every year. He involves himself in almost all the decisions taken by the school for the students. I, as a teacher, help the school administration in this selection process. So far as the second point, social audit, is concerned, I do not play any role. So far as the point, mobilizing resources through parent alumni to contribute to school in any way, that is physical infrastructure, computers, PM portion, books, scholarship, etc. is concerned, I have always and already mentioned that I have myself appealed these stakeholders many a times through PTM platforms to contribute handsomely in these areas so that our cadets could be benefited in different walks of life. Thank you very much.